Hello ladies and gentlemen, in this video we'll be talking about how to use filters and make the graphs interactive. So for that we are taking the example of subcategory to make it the filter. Click on show filter. Here's the default filter where we can select any one of the values. For example, art, chairs, envelopes, etc. etc. The other options for the filter are these: single value list, for example, where we can only select one value of the variable subcategory. Another option is drop down for single value, where there is a drop down list and we can select one of the value. For example, labels, paper, fonts, etc. etc. The third option is slider. This is most probably used in continuous variable. Another option is multi-value list, where we can select more than one or all. The next is multiple values drop down, where we can select or unselect any values. The next option is multiple values custom list, where we need to write which one to select. We need to type and search the value. The last option is wildcast match, where we need to search, press enter, and it will be visible here. So these are the following options in the filter. Also, if we don't use this option of filter from here and directly selects the pill and drag and drop to the filter shelf, then this option of interactive filter will not be visible. For example, if we take subcategory and drag and drop to filter option, then this following box will be opened up, where we can select the values which we want to see in the bar graph. Select or unselect, press OK. We can edit from here again. Custom value list, use all, wildcast, condition, topmost. These are used in the continuous variables. This is all for this video. I hope you have understood how to use filters option and how to make the graph interactive. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment. Let's meet in the next session. Until then, keep tabs on the Tableau. Thank you.